Can cats eat ube? No, cats should not eat ube. While purple yam itself is not directly poisonous to felines, it offers no nutritional value for them and can easily cause stomach upset. Cats are obligate carnivores, meaning their bodies are designed to process meat, not sweet, starchy root vegetables like ube. If you are wondering if it is safe to give your cat purple yam, the plain cooked vegetable is unnecessary, but processed ube treats are even worse. Most ube desserts, like ube halaya, ice cream, or pastries, contain high amounts of added sugar, dairy, and condensed milk. Many cats are lactose intolerant, so dairy can cause severe diarrhea, vomiting, and painful gas. Additionally, some ube recipes might include toxic ingredients like xylitol or nutmeg. If you want to know if ube is dangerous for cats, feeding them these sugary human foods can quickly lead to obesity, dental problems, or pancreatitis over time. If your pet accidentally consumed a large amount of ube or a dessert containing it, monitor them closely for signs of distress and consult a qualified veterinarian for professional advice. Sticking to meat-based treats is always the best way to keep your feline companion healthy and happy.